everyone, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent couturier with Chalk Couture. This is take 2. So as you come in, please say hello, and in the bottom left-hand corner of your mobile devices is a share button. I would love it if you would share this video. It's the greatest compliment you could give me. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. So you guys, I am so sorry about that. If you were watching, hello. I hope you can make it back. I don't know. I had a phone call. My phone ended up freezing. Then my screen totally went blank. But it's okay. So come on back. Let's get this started. At least we weren't into the project. For those of you that are new to Chalk Couture, real quick, I'll go over this one more time. Chalk Couture is a DIY home decor business opportunity, and you're not going to find our products anywhere else. We do offer a line of silkscreen reusable transfers. We have our Chalkology chalk paste and our couture inks. We do offer several surfaces like chalkboards, box wood frames, canvas pillowcases, and totes. But you can use this product on so many surfaces like wood, glass, tin, dry erase boards. You can do t-shirts, like I said, pillowcases, dish towels, and the list could go on and on. And then the greatest thing I can offer to you is an amazing home business opportunity for just $99. Well, you would receive this kit that is worth over $240. And you guys, this kit is absolutely amazing. So if you love what you see of what I'm doing today, you think this is really cool, and you would like to become a designer like myself, please reach out to me and I would love to share that information with you. My website, oh, wrong side. It's, oh, there it is, right there. That's my website, so check it out, and I'd love to share that with you. So let me get this all set up, and again, you guys, I hope you can come back. Please make sure you say hello to me again. I know we had a couple people on, and sorry for the IT little issue there. So we are going to be redoing a design today. And like I said, I always talk about this on my videos, how you can change out your chalkboards, change out your design, reuse our transfers. So this was done on a chalkboard. And as you can see, once you do a design, our chalk paste is semi-permanent. So I'm rubbing my hands all over this, you guys. It's not going to come off. Okay, the only way I'm going to be able to get this off, let me move that up for you so you can see my board there, is I'm going to take, hey Nikki, welcome. I had some IT issues. So I'm just going to take some water and I'm going to spray my board, you guys. Okay, I'm going to let this sit for a couple minutes. Oh, I don't want these. And I'm going to, hey Sandy, welcome back. Thanks for coming. Sorry about that. I'm going to take one of our little handy dandy board erasers. Now we sell these through our company. It comes in a pack of 2. And I'm going to take this and I'm just going to rub it right over my design. And as you can see, what happens is once the water gets into the chalk paste, it reactivates it. And check this out, you guys. Uh-oh, where'd my design go? Check it out. But this is the beauty of our product right here. You can totally change out your designs for each and every season as long as you're doing this on a non-porous surface. And now obviously you can see my little board eraser's dirty. I'm just going to clean that off in some water, and then I can reuse this again and again until it's no longer good, obviously. And then I'm going to go ahead and dry this up. And you guys, now I have this brand new surface that I'm going to be able to chalk on. So how cool was that? I mean, just think of the design possibilities of when it comes to the holiday season. If you have this beautiful board you want to change out, or, you know, maybe you want to change up your decor and your colors. I mean, we have 38 different colors in Chalk Couture. So that is what I absolutely love about these products. Plus, I do a lot of local workshops. I hope you saw the pictures from last night. And what happens when some people are new, maybe you're not crafty. The beauty of it is if you mess up, hello, you change it out. Super cool. So today we're going to do a quick fun project where I'm going to do a little bit of layering. Now, I'm going to do this. Yes, you guys, this is our infamous Buffalo Plaid that sells out like hotcakes every time it's back in stock. And just a heads up, this is going to be back in stock next week. So honestly, if you want this transfer, please private message me because I'm going to be placing an order as soon as it comes in, and I would love to make sure I get that for you. Or when it does come back, I will make sure, believe me, you will see it on my page. You will see it in my VIP group. I will make sure that you are aware when this comes back, okay? So I'm going to be doing a little bit of a layering project. So this is a very large transfer, as you can see. And boy, that picture looks kind of crazy. It looks like do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. But my board is this big. It's not going to be a problem. So all I'm going to do, and this has been reused, you guys. Our transfers you can reuse like 8 to 15 times, depending on that, you know, how well you care for them. So all I'm going to do with this is I'm only going to take part of this off because I'm not going to be using the whole thing. Uh-oh, that's not good. I put that right over. If you ever do this, word to the wise, be careful. Hurry up and get it off. Go slow. Ooh, this is the one thing I always say you don't want to happen. You don't want your transfer to stick together. Woo, that was a close one. And then I'm just going to take this and kind of put it where I think I want it. I'm actually going to go ahead and take the whole thing off because I'm going to play with this because, again, my design is obviously, this is a lot bigger than what I need it to be. So I think I kind of want to make this so that it's even across my board on both sides. Okay. Hey, Tracy. Hey, Sandy. And then I'm just going to press this down where I want it inside here. So like I said, you can play with this. As you can see, like I'm not making this so that it's all the way in. And I hope this turns out like I have it visioned in my head. Sometimes my visions don't always turn out right, but it's okay. Right? Because what did I say? You can redo your designs, right? So if it doesn't, we'll just take it off. I just hope it does. All right. So I'm smoothing this out so there's no air bubbles. My biggest concern, honestly, are going to be the corners, but I can work with it, and they're corners, so I think I'll be okay. Like this corner here, I'm going to be a little concerned with, but I think we'll work it. It'll work. So I've got that smoothed out so there's no air bubbles in my silk screen. And then I'm going to take our amazing new shimmering gold. We have 3 new chalk paste in this catalog that have like glitter in them, so to speak. Like they have a really pretty sheen. And I know I've used this 100 times already, but I love it. And then I'm just going to dip my squeegee in here. This is our angled squeegee. Actually, I'm going to take a good bit out. And I'm going to pull this across my silk screen. And it doesn't matter which way I go. I say that all the time. You just want to make sure you're applying pressure and getting it within the silk screen area. And pulling it across. Okay, I'm concentrating, you guys. Concentrating. This is where, oh, see, this I'm worried about right here. That might not turn out down there, but that's okay. We'll see how it goes. I might have to turn the board a different way if I don't like that down there. And you know, like I had a chalk workshop last night. You know, when you're doing DIY, sometimes it's not meant to turn out absolutely perfect, and it's okay. Because there's always imperfections. But that's what's nice about it, is if you're that person, you can fix it. Or if you want that nice rustic look, like I said, this is going to be a little iffy down here. But it's okay. I don't know if I can get in that corner. Let me just kind of go across here. It's a little hard in that corner. We'll see how this turns out, you guys. Let's see, I have an air bubble. It's okay. It's all okay. Scrape that off. I've got chalk paste on me. The chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent, Tracy, where our inks are made to be permanent. So our inks are actually made for like t-shirts and pillowcases, dish towels, that kind of stuff. Oh, I think I kind of like it. Oh, yeah. I think I'm good with this, you guys. Can you see that? I'm kind of happy right now. What? I went there. Did I really go there? So with the inks too. Oh no, you guys. It turned out perfect. I'm happy with it. And then I'm just taking this transfer and putting it right in my water off to the side. Okay? Because I'm going to clean that up and then I can use it again later on. That turned out exactly how I wanted it to. What do you think? Do you love the Buffalo Plaid? I like it. I like it. I like it. Look how cute that looks. And look at, can you see the little bit of sheen in there? Okay, so now I'm going to layer this with something. So what I need to do is I need to make sure this is dry. Now, it only takes a few minutes to dry if you let it go. But just for time purposes, I'm going to go ahead and dry this up with my hair dryer. I use mine on a warm setting. And just dry it up. Who doesn't love Buffalo Plaid? It's like the latest, greatest thing. This turned out perfect. I am super happy with this. Super happy. Just blowing that dry. Like I said, I just want to make sure it's dry because I am going to add a word to this. So now what I'm going to do, this is another transfer that we have. Obviously, I'm not going to use the whole thing because it won't fit. But this is our home transfer. So it has the word family with the definition of family and then the word home with the definition of home. Really, really cute transfer, you guys. Super cute transfer. But I am actually only going to use the word home right down here at the bottom. Okay. So again, right on the back of your transfer. Oh, hey, Sandy. Thank you. Thank you, Tracy. Hey, Chris. Welcome. Thank you. So I'm going to peel off my carrier sheet. I'm going to put this right down here at the bottom. And usually I fuzz up my transfers, but because I've actually used these several times, I'm not fuzzing this up. I just want to make sure I'm kind of even here. Smoothing out my silk screen, you guys. Am I even? Yeah, I think I'm even. Smoothing that out. I'm just going to look at it real quick. I'm not even. Not even. So if you need to change it, just peel it up. You can absolutely move it around to get it to where you want it. Just trying to make sure I'm even. So what are you guys doing today? Hey, Gail, welcome. Anybody doing anything fun today? We're not doing much today. We're just going to chill out at home. Still not feeling that great. But I have to chalk because I love to chalk and it makes me happy. So if you've never seen this before and you think it's super cool, I would love it if you'd share my video. It is the greatest compliment you could give me. I love shares. Let's spread the love of Chalk Couture around the world, right? So this is just our basic white. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. And then I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to take my squeegee and pull it across the silk screen. I got way too much on here, which is fine. Again, apply pressure, scrape off your excess, you guys. Don't waste your chalk paste. You don't need it all. And do you see, like, when I'm scraping it off, do you see how I can see the words? That's kind of what you want to do. And then you want to scrape it off so, like, you don't have any lines through there. Okay, putting my squeegee right in the water. Always left to right, up to down, never corner to corner. Oh my gosh. Look how awesome. Love it. Look how cute that looks, you guys. I do love this. Oh my gosh. Totally love it. Oh no, April. I hope they fixed it. Oh, Gail, I'm sorry. Are they going to reschedule? I hope they reschedule for you. April, I hope they get that fixed for you so you can get back in your house. So how cute is that, you guys? Simple, quick, cute design. You could totally leave it just like this if you wanted to. And how great would that be, like, displayed like on a little end table or entryway in your home? You could totally put it on your front door. But I thought, and my friend Nikki inspired me because she is outside 3 weeks. Holy cow. My friend Nikki inspired me today to add just a little embellishment. So you guys, all I did, these are like cute little, I think you can, they either call them napkin rings at the craft stores. I call it a little twig wreath. This is just a little twig wreath, and I'm going to get some, I got some like Buffalo Plaid gingham print ribbon. And all I'm going to do is fold it in half and loop it around here. And put this through my little hole. Nothing fancy. And then I'm just going to take this and I will hot glue it right on the back. And look how cute that is. Just to add a little embellishment. How long does it take to get the starter kit? Chris, it usually takes 3 to 4 business days to get your starter kit. That's it. They ship it FedEx as quick as they can to get it to you. So you should have your kit pretty soon. Yay! Can't wait for you to get started. But you guys, look how cute this is. Look how simple and cute. Like I said, you would just hot glue this right on the back, or if you wanted to tack it, you could tack it right on the back just to give it that cute little embellishment. And you've got a cute, sweet, simple little design that you could display in your home, on your windowsill, on an entryway, whatever you think. Or how cute would this be to give to somebody as a housewarming gift? Maybe they just purchased a new home. So you guys, I hope you love this design. Again, the greatest compliment you could give me is a share. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing the products, you can check out my website at chalkingwithjen.com. Thank you so much, Tracy. And if you guys have any questions about our products, about what we offer, I would love to answer those for you. So stay tuned, you guys. I will be back tomorrow. I'm going to do a t-shirt tomorrow so you can see how our inks work. And I hope you have a great day, and I will chalk with you soon. Bye.